Hi everyone, this is Andrea from Pixel and this is the tutorial about the main functions of Big Blue Button software that we are going to use during the next conference. So this video is intended for conference presenters. We also recommend to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browsers for a full compatibility. Let's start now the tutorial having a look at the white left column with social functions. With social chat, a public one that can be used by the audience while you are presenting to leave their questions. So now I'm going to type something here, and here's to send a message. So you will be able to answer at the end of your presentation. And then the private chat that you can see below, where there's just me at the moment. At the center of the screen you can see the two windows, me presenting at the moment and the presentation below. You have the possibility to resize them as you wish, as you prefer, but remember that this will affect only your screen and not the audience one. So you can make one of the two windows full screen. You can hide the presentation or the webcam. But most important, you can, through the Actions button here, start a new poll, upload a presentation, so replace the existing one, for example, and upload a new one like I'm doing right now. So you can drag a file or browse for a new file. In this case, I will browse for a new file on my laptop, upload a PowerPoint. It's ready to be uploaded, so upload. It's taking some seconds, and once it's ready, it's showing the PowerPoint on the screen. So I prepared 2-3 slides just to let you have a look. So slide 1, I can go to the next using the arrows. I can also use the small menu to change the slides. I can zoom out and zoom in. I can fit to width the documents and even make the presentation full screen. Again, be careful because the full screen presentation will be only for you, for the presenter, and not for the audience. Then you can also, as I'm showing you, add a new link to show to the audience. So in this case, I saved one here because I have already used. I click on share the new video. This is a video of our last year conference, so you can see that it's playing now. I can set it up as I wish, and when I finish, I click on stop sharing external video. So I come back to the presentation. Finally, let's have a look at the buttons here. The mute button, so to silence microphone, leave audio, stop sharing the webcam, so be sure to have it activated while presenting, and share your screen if you need to share exactly what you're doing on your screen to the audience. So finally, if you have any other question, do not hesitate to write to me to conference@pixel-online.net. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.